up, Bella Gang? I am back with a hair review video. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible, okay? So yeah, so this is gonna be a hair review on this unit that I'm wearing right now. I made this unit myself. I just used a hot glue gun, okay? I was not about to sit here and sew for no hours. I was not in the mood. So yeah, I made this using a hot glue gun, and I got a closure and 3 bundles. So my bundle lengths were 18, 16, and 14, and a 14-inch closure. I did not want nothing too long. I did not want nothing too full. So, and I did want it to be a little bit layered. So that's why I got 3 different length bundles or whatever. And the company that I bought this hair from is Sunber Hair. So no, this is not a sponsored video. No, they did not send me this hair. Okay, I used my own coin. But yeah, so this is the box that came in. I thought this was super cute. And the bundles just come like this. So I did not use all the hair. As you can see, I have hair left over. And it also came with a little weaving cap. Not going to use that, but I will be keeping this box. Yeah, so let's jump right into this review. So and I got the body wave. So that is the kind of hair that I got, as you can see. So I don't have anything negative to say about this hair really, except for one freaking thing. And for some people, it may be a deal breaker. For me, it's not a deal breaker because it's a closure. So, and I feel like you can finesse this issue. So the issue that I have is I did bleach this closure, and I did pluck a little bit out of it in the front to make a little space for my baby hair, and just in case if I did want to wear like this little front part up. So I went ahead and did pluck some hair, and so this is the amount of hair that I ended up plucking out, okay? But yeah, so let's talk about this problem. So after bleaching, washing, conditioning, or whatever the hair, the problem, and maybe you guys can already see, is this is the closure hair, right? And these are the bundles. The wave pattern is pretty much gone, okay? It's super straight in here. Whereas the rest of the hair, the curl pattern starts kind of high and it comes all the way through. So after I made the wig, I noticed like, wow, like my closure hair is super straight. So that's the only problem that I have with this hair and with this company. And it's not just this company. I've noticed that a lot of companies, sometimes the closure, the frontal is not the same as the bundles. And it's like, yo, like, come on, like, can I get the same kind of hair? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so if that's a deal breaker for you, you might want to think twice before ordering hair from this company. But for me, like I said, because it is just a closure and I know I can finesse it with a curling iron, curling iron, a flat iron, wand curler, or what have you, it's not a big deal for me, okay? But other than that, I really like this hair. I really like the texture. The hair is super soft. Some people would probably even say it's too soft, if that's a thing for some people. I have heard people complain that their hair was just a little too soft. The hair does hold a curl really good. The first time after I made this wig and I noticed the curl pattern was different, I used my flexi rods to give the curl pattern back, and it held the curl almost too good. Like the curls were super tight, and so I had to go back through my flat iron to kind of wave them out a little bit. So it does hold a curl very good. The hair does not tangle at all, okay? So there's no tangling. I can run my hair through the hair with my hands through the hair without any problems. And the hair also is it doesn't shed. So the only shedding that I got was minimum. Like I said, I showed you. Well, this is not even shedding. This is from me tweezing. So I have shedding, but that was from like me cutting my bundles, because I don't I cut my bundles when I make my wigs. So that was only shedding that I got. So there's some, loose hair that had to come out, and then of course, like I said, from tweezing. But as far as like the actual unit itself shedding, no ma'am, I don't have that problem at all. What else can I say about the hair? Yeah, that's really it. Shedding, non-tangling, no. Super soft. Oh, smell. This hair did not smell at all. It did not have that crunchy. It did not have that like what's the word I'm looking for? Dang. Like chip smell or old nasty. You know how some hair comes like it smells, right? This hair did not smell at all. This hair actually smelled good. Like I was like, dang, this hair smelled good. You know what I'm saying? So it had a nice smell or whatever. So you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, that's it. I really don't have nothing to say. It's good. Would I recommend this company? Yes, I would. It's super affordable. So if you're new to making wigs, or you're new to, you know, buying virgin hair, or if you just don't feel like spending all that coins at the moment, you can definitely, you know, this is a good company. Shipping was super fast. It took me maybe 3 days to get my items, and they told me it would take like a week or something. It was 3 to 4 days max. I know I did not wait 5 days, okay? So it was super fast shipping, and I really like this unit. I really like the hair. Like I said, the only thing is that the closure was not the same after I washed it. The hair does straighten really good. The hair curls really good, and I really like this unit. So I did, like I said, I did pluck the front, and I used my MAC 360 foundation powder to you know, just put in the part a little bit. The part goes to about like right here. I did not part it back all the way. I stopped my part right here, but it does go to like right here. And it was super easy to bleach. It took the bleach really well. And then I just used my handy dandy hot comb to flatten out the space between the parts so it lays really nice and flat. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So I will leave all the information about the bundles and the closure and the hair company in the description box below, just in case you're interested. And yeah, leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like this unit. Let me know if you've tried this hair. What I will try to do is come back like in a month or so, or maybe a few weeks. I'm not sure. But I will try to come back later and give an update on the hair to let you guys know if it's held up, if I still like it a lot, you know, how my wig is holding up or what have you. But other than that, I really don't have much to say. I'll try. I think I have a picture of what the closure came like. I will tell you the closure did not come bleached. It did not come plucked. It came, you know, like straight across, you know, a blunt closure. So you will need to go in and do some kind of customization if you want. Like I said, it's not a frontal. But I did choose to go in and thin the hairline out in the front, just in case I did decide like to bring this part up into like a little top knot situation. So I went ahead, and that's why I tweezed and plucked the front. But you don't have to. But just know it is going to be like straight across. And I knew I was going to want baby hair because your girl loves some baby hair. Grown as hell. And yes, I do like baby hair. What's good? What's good? No, I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, so overall, I really like the hair. I think it's super pretty. I wore this hair today when I went grocery shopping. I got a lot of compliments on this hair. They were like, oh my God, it looks so full. Or, oh, I love your hair, and that's so pretty. So not just my biased opinion, because it's my video and my channel. The hair is nice, guys, okay? I would not come on here and lie to you. Other people saw the hair and they complimented it and they liked it. So, yes, I would recommend Sunber Hair for anyone who's looking for affordable hair, okay? So, again, I will try to see if I can get a close-up. My camera's been acting really funny lately, so I will see if I can get a close-up so you guys can see with this little... Now you guys can kind of see up close what I was talking about as far as the curl pattern being different. So you would need to go in with a wand curl or something to kind of get that same body wave if that's something that really bothers you. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, okay? It's down there somewhere. Go ahead and hit that little button right there, okay? So you can know when I upload new videos. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. And I will see you guys next time, Bella Gang. Bye.